So you messed up and bought Bed Bath & Beyond stock after I warned you not to buy it 10 times in 5 separate videos. If you want to make money in the stock market, you have to learn to trade high quality stocks. I'm going to give you 3 stocks that I'm trading over the next 3 trading days. 3 short squeeze penny stocks moving right now. Stock ticker PTPI, which we called out yesterday. I am selling it at approximately $9.41. This video is for educational purposes only. If you watch this video, you can make real money if you buy and sell these stocks where I'm showing you. If you like making money, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and let's go into the stock picks. The first stock I'm taking a look at today is PYXS. PYXS is Pyxis Oncology. That stock's at approximately $3.32 as of April 20th, 2023. We are looking for this stock to stay above $3.22. If it stays above $3.22 and breaks out from $3.50, this stock can go to $3.52, $3.65, and even $3.80. This is not my top play, but PYXS can certainly go into a strong short squeeze type uptrend within the next 3 trading days. The second stock that we are looking at today is a stock called NOVA. Now, I like NOVA not because it can go up the most, but because it's the most stable. If this stock stays above $17, then NOVA is likely to go to $17.93, $19.46, and $18.46. So we have a lot of good profit targets on NOVA stock. This stock can certainly rally. But now we have one more stock, and this is one more penny stock that can short squeeze in the next 3 trading days, and that stock is AUGX. Now, AUGX was called out in the Pro Discord at approximately $3.10. This stock has already rallied over 15% to our profit target at $3.55. This stock can rally all the way to $3.87 depending on where the stock opens up tomorrow. If you want updates on where AUGX will rally to, make sure to join the Discord. I'll leave the link in the description, and we will give updates on these trades, where you should buy them and where you should sell them. But right now you have everything that you need in order to make money on these stocks. I have AUGX, PYXS, and NOVA on the watch list. We do have more short squeeze penny stocks to give you, but if you want access to all of them, you must join the Pro Discord by clicking the link in the description. The Pro Discord is the best decision you can ever make in your life if you are a trader, given that we have a track record for calling out 100% winners every single trading week. So every week we call out a 100% winner, almost without fail. So if you like making money, you definitely want to be in our trading group. All you have to do is click the link in the description, and you can join our Discord, and start making money with Coach Koda, your trading coach, live in the stock market. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video, and have an amazing rest of your day.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?